Maybe. A ricordarci che eterna stella sei nella mia preghiera. Quanta fede c'è. Lead us to a place.
Guide us with your grace.
Give us faith so we'll be saved. Sogna un mondo senza più violenza, un mondo di giustizia, di speranza, un nuovo Dio, come stai vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. La forza che ci
Lead us to
dai,
thy feet
eterno
high.
dentro sé.
And watch us from above.
Dove proviamo,
We will be sure we'll
eterno
find.
dentro sé. Let this be our prayer. Just like every child, need to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved. Nella fede che hai acceso in noi, sento che ci over there.
Fan club.
Okay, who's next?
Next we
Next.
the year when everyone comes home. Never feel alone. Lighting up the Christmas tree with friends who come around. It's so much fun when Christmas comes to town. Presents for the children, wrapped in red and green. All the things I've heard about, but never really seen. No one will be sleeping on the night of Christmas Eve, hoping Santa's on his way. When Santa's sleigh bells ring, I listen all around. The herald angels sing, I never hear a sound. The dreams of all the children once lost will all be found. So I want when Christmas comes to town.
That's okay, man. That's okay.
Wala pa na yung dati
To Christmas on the piano.
Commercial muna.
Commercial.
Commercial na lang.
Commercial muna.
Like, anong commercial naman?
Malboro, hindi yan. Bilis na ito.
Okay, everybody go. Ito ha. Dan, dan, dan. Di ba gano'n naman boro?
Dan, dan, dan,
Okay,
dan.
everybody. Okay.
Dan, 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 dan.
Dan, 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 dan. Dan, dan, dan. Dan, 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 dan. Dan. Di ba? Ganun yan?
Okay, oh.
Okay. Mga uto! Okay, okay. Yan. Okay, yan. Ready? Pagka ganun ko, hindi na. Saka ako papasok nun eh.
Okay.
Okay. Take one, take one. Take one.
Be, take two na yan.
Yan. Ready? Kasi yung orchestra ko. Ready? Yan.
Dan, dan,
Yan.
dan.
Stop. Isa pa ha. Yung snappy lang ha. Ready? Parang. Okay? Okay.
Dan, dan, dan.
Dun, 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 dun. It's started in Richmond, Virginia, spread throughout the land. To today, Marlboro countries everywhere come through the flavors of Marlboro. Marlboro Red Kings and Gold 100. Marlboro, the #1 selling cigarette in the world, made in the Philippines by La Suerte, by authority in the supervision of Philip Morris Incorporated, New York, USA. Dun, 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 Galing! Ang galing! Ang galing!
No, you have to assign people so they sing it.
Oh, pwedeng gano'n, no? Oh, sige. A partridge in a pear tree.
Okay.
Itong grupong to.
Okay.
Partridge in a pear tree. 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Right? 2 turtle doves and a partridge. No, everybody sing. And a partridge in a pear tree.
Okay.
Okay? Umpisa mo na natin. Okay. On the beat, right? Look. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 branches
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 branches,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my slow it down. 5 my true love gave to me. 7 souls and 6 each. What are you doing? 5 golden rings. 4 calling birds, 3 friends, and 2 turtle doves. And a partridge in a pear. 8 now, 8 makes a milking. On the 8th day of Christmas. Nothing, huh? 8 made a milking. 7. Do it again. 5 golden rings. 4 calling birds, 6 friends, and 2 turtle doves. And a partridge in a pear. 9 drummers drumming. On the 9th day. Like little bit to me. 9 drummers drumming. 5 golden rings. 4 turtle doves, 3 friends, and 2 turtle doves. And a partridge in the pear. And on the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. 10 drawers drumming, 9 drawers drumming, 7 5 golden rings. Come on! 4 golden rings, 3 friends, and 2 turtle doves. And a partridge in a pear tree. Stop! Ano na nga 11? Ha?
Drummers drumming po ulit.
Drumming. 11. 9 drummers sleeping. Huh?
11 more sleeping.
Oh, 11, ready? 11 more sleeping, ready? Let's do it again. 11 more sleeping. 10 ladies dancing. Again. Let's do it again, ready? Go. 11, what?
11 more sleeping.
Okay, ready? You do that. Ready? Okay, ready? 11. 10, 9. Let's make this right. Let's make it nice, okay? Let's make it right, okay? 11 for the leaping, 10 ladies dancing, 9 drummers drumming, 8 7 6 5 golden rings, a 4 golden birds, 3 friends, and 2 and a partridge in a pear tree. 12 what?
They're singing now.
On the 12th.
Drummers drumming.
Day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. 12. Five golden rings, 4 golden doves, 3 friends, and 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. 13th day now. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. 12 robbers starting 10 last na to ay this will be the night ending. Kailangan maganda na to, ha? Maganda na.
Here, where's your glasses?
Never mind that. Ready? 5 golden rings, 4 golden rings, and 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Well, what? 12 pipers piping. 5 golden rings. Let's go! 4 golden rings, 3 friends, and 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. About less a year ago, She's the youngest of two. JR and the mom is in New York. They're coming sometime February in Yuma. Mom's coming down in Yuma to join the practice in the hospital in Yuma. And EJ just joined me here, and I remember when they were babies, pagka namamasyal kami, bandang nabigla na nga akong gaya kasi ito ng gaya. Biglang may nagagalit, malapit na ako magalit. Ito nang tumira na, ay putang! Natuto siya. Very good example.
Model.
Good model. And then we were singing this song, and then she just joined in, and then hindi pa namin kabisado, but we started blending along. You heard the song of the Everly Brothers named Dream.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, huwag na kayo kami. Alam kong alam niyo. Pero, kami. Give me a pitch. Let's go. Dream, 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 dream. That sounds good. Who's going second here? Am I? Let's go. I think I'm going second here. Okay, go. Dream, 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 dream. When I want you in my arms, and I want you to hold me tight wherever I want you. All I have to do is dream, 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 dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine, anytime, night or day. All your trouble is, gee whiz, I'm living my life away. I need you so, and that is why I love you so. So hold me tight whenever I want you. Kami ang kakanta. In dream, 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 dream.
Still not clear. Who will but fail when they storm is rain? Better get quiet than silent stay. If I go to fall in some distant battle, I stay with G, I thought. And the lady answered, "You stupid thief, go away and hurry, and bring me your here." And the lady answered, "Oh, pray when they leave thee, but when I am at rest, still is your very memory on my breast. But for the vision, thy joy shall bar, a skeleton on the lane. And the lover in agony roam afar under some other window to play his soft guitar."
Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. I now hear the angels sing, a new king's born today, and there will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpet sounds and angels sing, listen what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flock by night, they see a bright new star. Then hear a choir of angels sing. Music seems to come from afar. Now Joseph and his wife Mary come to Bethlehem that night. They find no place to lay the child, not a single room was inside. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king's born today, and there will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpet sound and angels sing, listen what they say. The man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. By and by they find a nook in a stable so forlorn. In a manger cold and dark, Mary's little boy was born. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king's born today, and then we'll live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpet sound and angels sing, listen what they say, and then we'll live forevermore because of Christmas Day. And then we'll live forevermore because of Christmas
Pwede, nagkainiuman yung
Pag ito ay narinig nyo, bihira hindi umiyak. Yan, mapapaiyak kayo. Kinig kayo.
I don't want to listen to that. I'm gonna cry.
Walang ama, walang ina, uli ka.
Lakas ng loob ko ngayon.
Wow! Magamit ko ba?
Wow!
Magamit ko ba?
Dahil wala na.
Bata-bata tayo dyan.
Nagamit ko ito. Malakas ang loob.
Wala na yan, wala na yan.
To dream the impossible, to find the unbeatable. The
Parang kay lang ah.
Hindi ang